Ngabana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Ann Waiguru ni aratongoririe igongona ria kigomano gia gukungwira atumia aria makoretwo magika wega sekta-ini ya wonjoria. Ngabana Waiguru nioritie atumia kunyitanirira wonjoria-ini niguo guthinga mwanya uria ukoretwo ho sekta-ini ino na njira ya gutigirira atumia aria maraingira wonjoria-ini ni mahota kwirugamia.
Excellency Madam President Ellen Johnson Sirleaf encourages us to inspire women to unapologetically excel to the highest echelons and to bring other women along. I therefore would like to challenge you today to go find one and bring one woman along in business.
Waiguru augite gicunji gia 5% kia atumia aria mari wonjoria-ini matiri na uugi wa gutwarithia na mbere biacara na uguo hari na bata wa mateithiririo, akiongerera ati gicunji kia 50% kia biacara nini ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere ni atumia.
Only 5% of these women have prior or ongoing business skill training, and 70% of women get their training from their social contacts. While small firms record the highest percentage of the presence of a female top manager at 22.1%, this number decreases with the growing size of the firms to only 8.8% in large firms.
Muikari giti wa ngwataniro ya KEPSA ya Flora Mutai nioritie atumia kwirutaniria wonjoria-ini o ta arumia uria makoretwo magika.
The principles remain the same. It's just the risk is higher. And how do you mitigate risk? If there is anyone in this room who knows how to mitigate risk, is a woman. So tunaogopa nini? It is that muscle, you know, the one to say, I'm going to take the 100. I'm going to multiply this. If it's a muscle and it gets bigger and better as you use your muscle.
We start businesses and sometimes we do not know where to get market. But Kenya is a market in itself. If you could help us to have linkages with the counties and have inter-county trading to expand on the horizon, we can even create market days in those counties.
Kigomano giki gikoragwo kiri gia gutuga atumia aria makoretwo magika wega wonjoria-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.